Alright, just a little test ride here. Take it out, let you know what it does, how it drives, all that kind of stuff. This shifter right here, I have a video in my playlist on this. That's first, second, third, and fourth. It will pull away from a stop in second gear, so you can save a shift, but it's better in first. It's got a little bit of jump to it. But I do not want to do that. Jumping out there, look. Little strip of pavement right there in front of me. Looks a little wet. It is very drivable. It got a little tail happy at that intersection back there. This is third gear right here. Doesn't have any problem. It pulls just fine. Oh, wait a minute, that's fourth. I'm sorry about that. That was fourth. There's third. And 70 miles an hour. Second. But it runs perfectly smooth, straight, runs down the interstate just fine. The only thing it doesn't like is construction sites, because it's got about that much suspension travel, and you know, it bounces you all over the place. So temperature says 204. My fans are off. Got a little fan light back there, tells me if my fans are on or not. Turn this down, maybe you'll be able to see that light. Let's just take this off. We're done with this. So that little light right there tells me when my fans come on. Right now I'm at 208 degrees. And if it gets to 215, the fans will come on. 212, fans just cut on. It shifts a little firm if you shift it. If you shift it like at lower RPMs, like under about 1500. If you let it rev out to about 2000, it seems to shift a little softer. I always lift just a little bit on the throttle when I shift anyway. All right, so it's 212 degrees now. We didn't move very far forward that time, so 212, and the fans are still running, and it will continue to climb as long as it's idling. That's why I'm going to put an electric water pump booster in it, so the booster pump will come on at the same time the electric fans come on, and that'll circulate water at an idle. Because right now, if I want the temperature to come down, I have to take this thing, drop it up into neutral, bring it up to about 1000. Right now we're at 215 degrees. I'm at 1400 RPMs right now, 1,400. And it should be coming down, yep, 213. Yeah, 1800 RPMs, 212. 210. 208. And as long as I bring the idle up, it'll keep coming down. If I don't bring the idle up and just let it sit there and idle in gear, it will maintain a temperature just below boiling over, even if it's like 95 degrees out. It's never overheated. Well, I can't say, because if it gets really, really hot outside, I drop it in neutral all the time at stoplights. So it's never really overheated on me, but when it's really hot out, I do have to drop it in neutral and bring the RPMs up a little bit. So the electric booster water pump is really going to be a help sitting in traffic. So that's about $160 I have to spend to add that on here in some time, but it'll be worth it. It'll make it a real streetable car then. Right now it's kind of, you know, only certain people can drive it because they got to watch the temperature, I suppose. So I'll bring the RPMs up 2,500, 2,700, shift. Shift felt a lot smoother there. That wasn't say. Oh, the water temperature will maintain itself on like a 70-degree day. I've tested it. You just go out and ride at a steady 35, 40 miles an hour, and the water temperature will stay 190 or so for miles and miles and miles. So there's plenty of airflow through the radiator, just not enough water circulation to keep it down when you're sitting still. Well, that's about it. That's about all I can say about that. I think there's a little delay in the GPS. All right, that was a little test drive. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everybody that shared this video. Thanks to all my subscribers. Share this video. That's how the word gets out. There's a lot of people out there that pop up all the time saying, hey, I didn't even know this thing exists. So share it. Help them find it. Thank you very much.